I have prepared the bags that I have at home for you to show. They are behind my bag, and I will tell you which patterns I have, which video tutorials I have. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you want to get the links to the pattern, to video tutorials, please send me a message and I will send you the direct link. The first bag that I want to show you is this. It's #1 tote bag. It's the first bag I curated, and it's my bag. It's not for sale, but I have written pattern and video tutorial on my YouTube channel how to make it. It's curated with 6mm Monomer Studio macrame cord. Now these are also #1 bags, the same size, just in different color. Popular for the summer. Then coconut brown for the autumn, and black. So you can choose any color you want to make or to get your bag, as macrame cord is available in more than 100 colors. Now I also want to show you that I have different sizes of #1 tote bag. So this is the medium size and this is the small size. They do not differ a lot, and I also have a big size, but all of them were sold. So this is the small size and this is the medium size. You can see the difference in them, the small size and the medium. Also there is, as I said, the big size, but I do not have it to show. Also I have video tutorial how to make the small size bag and the big size bag. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you can choose which size bag to make it. All of them I created using 6mm macrame cord. I want to show you also the experiment, the recent bag that I made. So this is with the new limited cord that I made, the big size #1 bag. You can see, so this is the thinner cord and this is the thicker cord, but this is the bigger and this is the smaller. Actually they are almost the same size. The handles are a bit longer. I wanted to do it like this. So if you buy or get 5mm cord, which is limited, making the big size bag, you can have the normal size like this. This is the shopping friend bag named Shopping Friend, also created with 6mm Monomer Studio cord. It's quite large. I have written pattern and video tutorial how to make it. This color is bright neon pink. I have neon yellow, neon orange and neon pink in my studio. So this is the neon yellow, neon pink, and there is one more, neon orange. And this is the same bag that I just showed you. It's made with 5mm cord, which is limited. If you want to get the cord, the written pattern or video tutorial, please send me a message and I will send you direct link. Melissa bag. The color of this bag is coconut brown. I think that I have video tutorial. I will double check if I have it. And written pattern for sure. The color is coconut brown. It can be used as a handbag like this. This is the bag. If you have any questions, please let me know. Let me introduce you the cute bag. You can see the shape of it is different. It has braids. It's square. The handles are also made using braids. It's using crochet technique. Everything that I create is using crochet technique. I'm not putting any filling inside. This is just the bag as it is. And this is the color mustard. Yeah, I think it's mustard color number 46. I have written pattern and video tutorial how to make it. All video tutorials are free on my YouTube channel. You can go and subscribe me there. And this is a twin for the cute bag. So this is the mustard color, and this bag is made of cord that has two colors in it. It's a mix of coconut brown and ivory white. So you can see that it's not ivory white and not brown, so nice, I would say. So it's more like a handbag. So which one you prefer, this one or this one? Now it's time for the tassels. This bag is different from the other bags as it's made from cotton cord. This is made, this part is made using twisted cotton cord and the tassels from single strand cotton cord. It's either from 3 or 4 millimeters cord. I will double check in the pattern. So natural cotton cord, you can make it with tassels or without tassels. The tassels are being added at the very end when the bag is made. I have only written pattern how to make it. I can show you the difference of the size of the 6 millimeters bag. So they are similar. This one is a bit smaller than this, and the colors are also a bit different, but this is different material. This is the polyester 6 millimeters cord, and this is the cotton cord. Just I don't remember. Next, it's my bubbles bag. Why bubbles bag? Because it has bubbles right here. I would say it's a market bag, shopping bag, and maybe beach bag. It has little holes on it, and the color is dark brown, and it's created using 3 millimeters cord. It's polyester 3 millimeters cord. I have written pattern how to make it.